Hey everybody, happy Friday. Today we're going to keep it kind of simple. We're going to go into our drive. We're going to make a folder called Science. We're going to drag our assignment that we did yesterday. We're going to put it in our Science folder, and then we're going to share that folder with me so that we can so that I can go into your folder and see everything. So when you go on to a new tab, so open a new tab, we're going to get to our drive. If we go to this little box here that's got these dots, I'm going to click on that. And when I click on the dots, I'm going to see drive. So I'm going to click on drive. It's going to take me to my drive. It might take a minute. And my guess is that most of you probably don't have a ton of folders in here. So I want to go through how we're going to do this. So this is going to be, instead of a science notebook, this folder is going to be what we need. So I'm going to go over to new. This is the same step that you can do, so you can follow along with me. We're going to click new, and then we're going to hit the folder button here. We're going to name our folder. Let's name our folder. If you're in 6th grade, you're going to name it 6th grade science. If you're in 8th grade, you're going to name it 8th grade science. So we'll say 6th grade, science. And then I'm going to hit create. So when I hit create, it's going to pop up, and here's my 6th grade science folder here. Okay? So you can click into it right now, and you see that it's empty. What I want to do is we're going to move some stuff into this 6th grade science folder, okay? So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go back to my drive, so I'm going to click on my drive, and then our document yesterday, okay, our document yesterday was called Getting to Know, and then it'll pop up Getting to Know You Lab Coat, and then if you click on your Getting to Know You Lab Coat, activity, you should see yours completed in here. Mine's the blank one that you guys made a copy of. So this is our document from yesterday. You should have your completed one here. And what we're going to do with everything that we have is we're going to move it to somewhere else. So how we're going to do that is this. We're going to go to File, and we're going to go down, and we're going to say Move. Now you can do File, Move, or right up here next to the star, there's also a move button here. I like this move button a little bit better just because it's right there. So I'm going to hit move, and then it's going to have my drive. And you're going to see your 6th grade science folder pop up, or 8th grade science folder pop up. When you do, you just click on that, and then you hit move. So now your document has been moved into your 6th grade science folder. So if I go back to my drive here, I can go into 6th grade science, and look at that, there is that. Now, our lab and our notes that we're going to start doing on Monday, we're going to do the exact same thing. So once you make a copy of something, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit move, and you're going to put you're going to say that you want it to go into your 6th grade science folder, and you're going to say move here. So every single thing is going to go in there. Now, last step for today is going to be to hit this share button. So you're going to hit share. And then if you are in the other science class that does not have Mr. Kirkwald, if you're in that class, I want you to hold off on this step. Your new teacher will be there on, I believe, Monday and Tuesday next week, and then we can share it with that person, okay? But if you're in Mr. Kirkwald's class, this is what you're going to do. You're going to say add people, okay? And then you're going to type in Kirkwald, Kirkwold, and it should pop up Benjamin.Kirkwald with this picture right here. Please, 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 please make sure that you type in Kirkwald and that this is the picture that it looks like. The reason for that is there is a very wonderful student up in Zimmerman. I had him a long time ago. His name is Benjamin Kirk. And if you type in Kirk, it'll come up as him. Look, Ben Kirk. Kirk. And there's Benjamin Kirk. This is not me, okay? That Benjamin Kirk is up in Zimmerman. He very kindly sends emails to me that people send to him all the time. But please, 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 please type in Kirkwald so that you know that it's me. So again, the image looks like this, and then you're going to hit share or done, and then you're good to go. And then I'll get an email that says you shared the folder with me, and then you're good to go. So your 6th or 8th grade science folder should be set up in your Google Drive. If you want to organize your drive other ways too, you can do that today. Otherwise, I just wanted to make sure that we got that done today. So I will see you guys next week, or I'll see you in a Google Meet for our distance kids. Have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye.